Bini Bani. Isia likes you. Please like. Change it anyway. Why? Is this your YouTube channel? You are commanding us some? Wow! You know, some other viewers are commanding us what to do. We do not command. We are not being commanded here. This is our live stream. Okay? Please like, subscribe. We're saying please. So it's up to you if you like or subscribe. But do not command us. And don't give us a thumbs down. If you don't like our live streaming, bye-bye! Okay? Let's be... Okay, that's a joke. Oh, buti naman it's a joke. Be wholesome. Because be nice. You don't know what we are going through in life, and we don't know what you're going through also in life. Okay? Okay? You're sorry. So, no problem. Thank you for our viewers. Thank you for 1 like. Ito sa joke, not a demand. Oh, so I'll take it as a joke. Yeah, maybe when somebody commands us, I will ask, is that a joke? Are you okay? Better, right? Because we have different cultures. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for being honest. We are learning, right? Ito na. Bibi, pamaypay daw. This is our native fun. You see? You are learning from us. Native fun. You can make your underarm fresh and relax. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your comment. That's really true because we need to do that. Because you know, life is short. We need to be good. So we can go to heaven, right? Good job. Isiya, you're eating Bini Bani. Baby, you're being wild. Set go. Hi, please like, subscribe. Thank you to our viewers. It's so hot here. So in YouTube, we are earning not too much, but it can help us in our daily needs. So if you want to help us, be our channel member. Choose higher membership. I'm not joking. Thank you for your support. Even if you're viewing, liking, staying here, subscribing, that's a form of support. Thank you. What would it call them? Good things, not bad things. Huh? What? Nothing.
Bees can make honey because
bees. Talking about bees. Bees can make honey. But Kisiya, a baby, is not eating honey. Or she cannot have honey. It's not good yet to her tummy.
Mama, I'll tell you something.
Oh. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The honey is not good for babies, huh? But we eat honey.
Okay, stop. I'll tell you something. Sia is bee.
That's not good, guys. She's just joking. Isia, come here. Are you stuck there?
Yeah.
She's stuck there. She's stuck in the mountain area. Please like. What is the membership for? The membership is for money. To be honest. No, membership is a form of support. So if you're new in YouTube, you're just watching YouTube. You can read. Oh, what happened to this? Wait lang. The curtain. The curtain!